Hi, it's Jill with Big Red, and I have this week's Crazy Case deal. We have these lovely Pomelo wines. We have Chardonnay and Rosé. They both are really awesome on their own, and I think they're really great as just everyday drinking wines. You can never have too many of those. So we are giving you a really great deal on these today. Normally they're going to be $7.99, but you can mix and match a case of these for $50. So you can do 6 of one and 6 of the other. You could do 9 of one and 3 of the other. Either way, you can kind of, see which one you like the best. Well, what do they taste like, you ask? I'm going to show you. I know that you can't taste through the screen, but I'll do it for you. So what I really like about this Chardonnay is that it's crisp and clean. It's from Clarksburg, so it has some really nice acidity to it. Really nice orchard fruits, apples, pears. Really lovely. It doesn't have that kind of like overwhelming unctuous feeling to it, so it's not the buttery oaky. It does have some nice tropical fruit to it, so it has kind of a medium mouth feel to it. This is a really solid Chardonnay. This is the kind of Chardonnay that I would drink while I was cooking, and then maybe I'd put it in my food too. But either way, it's just a really great Wednesday Chardonnay. And next for the Rosé, we have this Rosé. This is actually a blend of a bunch of different grapes, Merlot being one of them, maybe some Grenache. They're kind of sourcing these grapes from a little bit all over the Central Coast. It has a lovely kind of cotton candy color. It smells of like dried strawberries, ripe raspberries. This one has a medium to fuller bodied mouthfeel as well. It has a lot of like juicy strawberry notes to it, and it has a little bit of residual sugar, so it'll keep the people interested that maybe don't like the drier rosés. Either way, it's a really awesome wine for $7.99, but I really recommend you getting both of them, 6 and 6, or whatever your preference, for $50 each. We have them in a lot of the stores, so you can almost pick them up immediately. Cheers!